Hello, in today's video I'll be installing the Mighty Mouse catch can on a C6 Corvette ZR1. This Corvette uses a PCV valve which is used to prevent excessive crankcase pressure, but the PCV valves do suffer from allowing oil vapor to get through the PCV valve. And this oil vapor coats the air intake and the throttle body with an oily film, and it'll eventually coat the spark plugs as well. So if you've ever removed your air intake and found oil residue inside your throttle body, this is oil vapor that has gone past your PCV valve. So to help solve this, we will be installing this catch can, which works to make sure that the air venting from the crankcase is clean and free of oil. This catch can collects the oil, which it separates into the cup section on the bottom. So the first thing we do is mount the catch can. And to mount the catch can on this vehicle, we have to push this harness out of the way. This catch can comes with a mount and a clamp to hold the catch can. And it also included the necessary fittings, hoses, and hardware. And this side of the catch can collects the air-oil mixture from the crankcase, and it uses fittings and an adapter to connect to the valve cover. Here you will get a better view of how it's connected. And all you gotta do is remove this cap from the valve cover and install a new adapter. And you just gotta rotate this cap off. And this side of the catch can goes underneath the fuse box and connects to the intake. And it also includes a cap so you could cap the valley cover, which in this vehicle worked as a PCV system. And the small hole section was installed there beforehand, which you gotta remove. And it has these little tabs that hold it in place. And all you gotta do is push down to release them. And that pretty much completes how I installed this catch can. Hope you were able to find this video helpful and informative. Please like and consider subscribing.